Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Beef chow fan, called 干炒牛河, is famous and common in Guangdong province, especially in Hong Kong. You can see it in both big restaurants or street food stalls. Today's recipe is this beef fried with rice noodles. Let's get started. Prepare 100 grams of beef. Cut into slices. Transfer to a bowl. 1 part ginger, about 10 grams, sliced. Look at all the seasonings to marinate beef. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 10 grams of shredded ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. In this dish, the secret is how to make the beef tender and easy to cook through. My experience tells me that the addition of baking soda satisfies both requirements. Add all the seasonings to the beef. Combine well. Marinate for half an hour. Then remove the shredded ginger from the marinated beef. 50 grams of mung sprouts. Remove the ends. 30 grams of yellow chive, washed and cut into sections. 400 grams of fresh rice noodles. The seasonings for stir-frying also include 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil. Add oil to the wok. Heat over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add marinated beef. Stir-fry until it changes color and is nearly cooked through. Then add mung sprouts, yellow chive. Stir-fry for a while. Add rice noodles, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, salt. Turn to high heat. Stir-fry until every noodle is coated with sauce. Then turn off the heat. The fragrant and delicious beef chow fan is ready. If you like today's recipe, give it a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.